Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order from Walgreens. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walgreens.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Walgreens homepage, from which you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the sign in button to sign into your account. Once you have signed in using your credentials, you will end up within this homepage. Now, if you wish to order anything, you can simply search for it from the various options that are available, and you can also scan through the various categories. Once you select your category or simply search for it using the search box, you will be able to find various products that you might be interested in. Just go ahead and look for your product, and you can click on the Add to Cart option if you want to buy anything. Go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button for as many items as you want to buy. And once you click on this button, you will have various options. If you want to pick it up at store, then you can choose the pickup option. You can also choose same-day delivery or shipping. Just choose whichever option is suitable for you. And once you want to check out, you can click on View Cart. Now once you're inside the checkout page, you can also enter any promo codes or coupon code that you may want to use. After all of your settings are set up, you can then click on the Proceed to Checkout option and then proceed with making your payment for your product. After you make your payment, you will receive the details about when you will receive the item. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to order something from Walgreens. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.